Happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. Throughout the summer and the beginning of July, we saw a slowdown in the work from home market, but it's getting exciting that it is starting to pick back up. And I'm always looking for different things to bring to you, so I'm not always sharing the exact same thing. So of course, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education or background that you have, and I will definitely keep those in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. But today's job lead is very exciting since it is different. The huge clothing retailer Hot Topic is hiring a customer service representative to work remote. So if you've ever wanted to work in retail in the clothing stores, but you don't want to have to go to work and walk around and deal with those people in person, it's been COVID times, or if you just like staying in your pajamas, this is the position for you. They are looking for someone to monitor the phone queue to ensure proper coverage is maintained at all time for their customer service calls. They're also looking for someone to respond to emails, live chat, and social media inquiries in a way that reflects their brand. So it's not only phone work, but it's working all the different ways that they get questions and concerns in. So they are looking for someone that would provide feedback to management regarding customer interactions, processes, and procedures. They would expect you to be a patient person because you're going to be dealing with customers, and they want you to be able to learn the process, know the process, and follow their guidelines and processes. Now, they do require minimal experience. They are only requiring 1 year of experience working in a customer service or call center environment. Now, a customer service environment, look for anything that you've done that has transferable skills. Were you a babysitter? Have you worked in retail? Have you served food? It doesn't have to be a customer service call center environment. They do need someone who has great written and verbal communication skills, someone who is good on a computer, and someone who can type fast, because it says they get a lot of email and social media inquiries. So you may be handling those through written form more than on the phone taking phone calls. Now, this is for my United States folks only, other than California. It says you must be located outside of California. It does not look like they hire in the state of California at the time. And it does note you need the ability to work a flexible schedule, so it may include mornings, evenings, weekends, and holidays during their peak seasons. Now, unfortunately, they did not provide the pay rate for this job. You would have to ask at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.